Apple in February unveiled a new tap to pay on iPhone feature that will allow compatible iPhones to accept payments via Apple Pay, contactless credit and debit cards, and other digital wallets with no additional hardware required. I remember this taking place. What happened now?
Like now, I believe it's live.
Well, are they? Where is it going to be utilized first? Apple began testing it. Tweeted a feature rolling out to Apple stores across the United States starting today, allowing customers to try it out. The feature might not be available at every Apple store immediately. Apple said the feature would launch in the U.S. later this year, but the company has yet to share a specific launch time frame. Feature will allow small businesses and merchants to accept contactless payment through supported iOS apps using an iPhone XS or newer. At checkout, the merchant will simply prompt the customer to hold their own iPhone or Apple Watch, contactless credit or debit card, or other digital wallet near the merchant's iPhone, and the payment will be securely completed using NFC technology. So they're going to start in their own stores in order to get people used to it. And then at a later time, they'll roll it out to the average merchant. You can see the demonstration here. It's a farmer's market, which is obviously the ideal place to use something like that. In this case, the person's receiving payment via a card tapping their phone. So it can be phone to phone or card directly to phone. Or any merchant that accepts contactless payments on an iPhone must rely on additional hardware. Oh, for the time being, yeah. Square Reader and such, like things like that.
Yeah, for the time being. Do you think that Square will be in trouble?
Oh, well, why do you think they're getting so crypto? By the way, they're called Block now, aren't they? Something like that.
Yeah.
They changed the name, didn't they? Is it Block?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because they got really crypto. Maybe that's how they insulate themselves from these developments. They go more crypto.